Located just 35 minutes from bustling downtown Nashville, this incredible property offers a wooded oasis in beautiful Kingston Springs, Tennessee. It is a pleasure to welcome you to 1045 Deer Ridge Road. Situated among rolling hills and sitting on 5 private acres, this beautiful property is an incredible opportunity to invest in Music City. Imagine the tranquility of beginning each day surrounded by the peaceful sounds of nature. A gurgling creek runs along the back edge of the property, and natural beauty abounds. Here, nestled among the trees, you'll find the beginnings of a lovely, modern home. The current owners have tackled all the hard work, from building plans to pulling permits, and now the remaining choices are yours. Complete the vision and create your own personal retreat. With stunning, oversized black frame windows and a covered wraparound porch, you will be immersed in nature at every turn. The footprint of this home offers 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, with the primary bedroom on the main level. The full walkout basement is a prime location to host guests, create a fitness and wellness area, or even a quiet office. Plus, the space is prepped for an additional full bathroom. Outside, you'll find a spacious 3-car garage to house your favorite toys. The possibilities for this home lie within your own imagination. Let nature be your muse as you put the finishing touches on your dream come true.